Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bird with Abbas. Today, the turkey birds are eating snacks. Just look at how much they are enjoying them. It's such a joyful moment to see these beautiful turkey birds gather together, happily pecking at their favorite treats. Their eyes sparkles with excitement as they taste each bite with so much delight. Some birds are munching quietly while others are playfully grabbing the best pieces for themselves. It truly feels like a snack party for our feathered friends. Actually, turkeys are very social and intelligent birds. They love being in groups and always show excitement when something new is introduced to them, especially food. Today's snack time is extra special because they have a variety of delicious and healthy treats. You can see their colorful feathers shining in the sunlight as they move around, enjoying every single bite of their feast. Watching these turkeys eat is not just fun but also satisfying because it reminds us how important it is to provide them with nutritious food. These little snacks breaks keep them happy, active, and full of energy. Turkeys are large, beautiful birds and belong to the same family as chickens. They are known for their unique appearance, bright red wattles, colorful feathers and impressive tail display. Turkeys are very friendly and intelligent bird, often recognizing their caretakers and responding to voices. In the wild, turkeys love to eat seeds, fruit, plants, and insects on farms. On in backyards, they enjoy grains, vegetables, and protein-rich treats. Feeding them healthy snacks not only keeps them happy but also improves their overall health. They need a balanced diet to grow strong and maintain their bright shiny feathers. One interesting fact about turkeys is that they are excellent communicators. They make different sounds to express excitement, alertness, or even curiosity. During snack time, you can hear them making their soft noises. It's their way of saying this is delicious. Now we are ending this video. So if you like the video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and comment. We will come soon in the next video. Bye.